Hello everyone, hope you're having a magical day today. Today we are at the Grapevine Mills Mall. Now the mall, it is Sunday, the mall opens up at 11 and I'm here at 10:30. So we're going to go in, see if we can get in and just walk the mall, show you what's there. And then maybe go in a couple of stores once they start opening up. But I don't know how this is going to turn out. I don't know what I'm going to do. So we'll go in and check it out. This mall does have a Rainforest Cafe. Have you never been? I've never been. So it's good, what I've heard. Don't know how good. Like I said, never been, but I love the theming of it from the outside. There's a fish tank in there. One right across from Rainforest Cafe. Like I said, it is closed. And there's an alligator in there. They do have a LEGOLAND and a LIFE Aquarium in here. Which is a mini golf that is played in black light. You can maybe see some of it there. Jerky outlet. So if you like beef jerky, you should come check it out. And that's some of what they have on the window display there. Corners wear and more outlet here. So if you've never been here, this outlet mall, it's an indoor outlet mall, and it just makes a big circle. Earthbound Trading Company. Of course, I don't think that's an outlet, but they have lids. The Marshalls that is open already. The Children's Place. They even have a round one, which is bowling, arcade, karaoke and party, food and bar, billiards. And they have the ice cream and alcohol and all. So we'll go by there if it's open and we'll go walk in. Izod. Journeys on Miss A. I'm not sure what a Miss A is, but looks like Miss A is cosmetics and stuff like that. So Miss America, that would make sense. In case you come for next Christmas or whatever. And this is where you can meet Santa. Although Santa's not here anymore, he's back at the North Pole. And they have a Vans outlet and a Skechers. Like I said, you can meet Santa. There would be Santa. They have a Converse. And it says welcome. And Santa wishes. Like I said, he's back at the North Pole, so this is gonna be torn down in a minute, but it's up for now. We have a GameStop and a Justice. We have a Levi's. Hagar factory store. And the box lunch, which I did a video about box lunch. Not this location, but a video about box lunch that I'll put in the comments below or the description below. I have Build-A-Bear Workshop. Forever 21. A Buckle. A Starbucks location. So down this way is your LEGOLAND. And your LIFE Aquarium. We might go into one of them today. I don't know. I'm gonna meet some friends for lunch, so I gotta keep watch of the time. But then you have your, this is entry 5. And you have your LIFE Aquarium. Again, nothing's open. Well, very few things is open. We have the Buckle, an Aeropostale, an Under Armour sport area. I have a Chili's. If you've never been to Chili's, oh, it is so good. I love Chili's. Well, there's Chili's. In the food court area, they have Great Laps, Panda Express, Chicken Now, they have Sonic. Across from the food court, they have American Eagles. We have a carousel in the middle of the food court. We have a Cajun Grill, a Taco Bell, Charlie's Philly Steak, a Thai Kitchen, and I have no idea how you say this. Sbarro, maybe? And then Hot Topic and Claire's and Finish Line. Ooh, that food looks good. So of course you know me, and one of the main reasons why I like this location is because of the Disney Store outlet. It is closed right now, so we'll come back to it. Puma. They have an escape room in here, which I've never been. I want to go so bad. I've never done an escape room. And then Adidas. And here's that round one, bowling and amusement. And this is entry 6. We have a Cinnabon. They have candy by the pound. Bone and tech repair. Old Boot Factory. We have a T-Mobile store in here. $1 plus. Royal Jewelers. Suit Warehouse. Texas Treasures. They have a Sears outlet. So you can come into Sears, and although Sears is closing from what I understand, so I don't know how much longer they'll be open. Then here's a Ross. There's a VF outlet here, which I've gotten some shirts at for good price before. There's a Rack Room Shoes. Yankee Candle. And a Loft outlet. Tommy Hilfiger. Banana Republic factory store. The Coach Factory, New York and Company outlet, Abercrombie Fitch outlet, and that we have a Gap factory store here, and that will actually do it for us, because right up there is the Rainforest Cafe again. So with that, I hope you have a very magical day.